loves, welcome to my evening routine in a foreign land. So each evening always looks a little different. But on this particular day, I finished whatever work I was doing at around 5 p.m. Lost the original footage. That's why you would see me in a different style, because I had to refilm this whole video. Being in a foreign country and staying indoors most days, for me it's very important that I take a walk every now and then. Preferably every evening, even though that isn't always the case. Believe it or not, it's already 7 p.m. and it's still this bright outside. Nothing like I've seen before. Being able to take a peaceful walk without looking over my shoulder is definitely something I am grateful for. Just got back home, got straight in the shower just to freshen up before I start up dinner. For my face, I start up with this gift-sized Tatcha face wash I got from Sephora. I go ahead and start off with my skincare routine after the shower. First up is my glycolic acid 7% tonic solution, which has totally changed my skin texture and overall appearance. The next step is applying my hyaluronic acid. I have a few more steps to go and it takes a little more patience, but it works for me. I also don't do these exact steps every single day, but it helps to get them done often. I go in with my salicylic acid and retinol. The last step is my moisturizer, but I don't always use my moisturizer at night. As I get ready to start making dinner, I pour myself a glass of juice, get into my favorite pajamas, and get straight to cooking. I decided to prep the corn and get it cooking while I chop up my vegetables for the pasta. The food is finally done and ready to dish up. Dinner is served. So I decided to go back into my t-shirts and shorts. With the black pajamas, it got too hot for my liking. It's finally time for bed, time with God, and sleep. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.